In this video we are going to be analysing PXMD. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we start to push upwards? So we have our first resistance at around 525/530. That would be our second deviation on both the 4-hour and the daily. And we can see intraday we came into this level, we pulled back, we tested this as support, and we saw a sharp increase. We weren't able to push back, so we started pulling back to our resistance levels, but then support, broke it, came back to retest it, failed, and that's why we're seeing a sharp decline. But if we do push back to this level, we would want to see a retest, a break above, to retest it once more, and then we could expect a push to our next resistance level, which in this case would take us to 608/$6. And that's why, again, this is where you saw the stock move to, because you always expect stocks to move to their next deviation levels, and this was a perfect example. Broke above, came back to retest, and then as buying pressure kicked in, we saw a push to that next resistance level. Then we ended up selling off. So again, if we come back above to this 530, we want to break over, retest, and then we can expect a push to $6. And again, if we can break this level, meaning we come above it, retest like we did here, and then see buying pressure kick in, then we can expect a push to our next resistance level, which would take us to 662 and 690. Now, if we were to break those levels, we don't actually have any technical levels going higher. So we would just be focusing on that 52-week high around 1050, and then just key psychological levels, meaning the $7, the $8, the $9, and the $10 will all probably be some sort of resistance levels if we pushed higher. Now, onto the support levels. What are we looking at on PXMD if we continue down? So we do have our closest support level at 450. And again, another perfect example. We broke below our support level, came back to retest it, and then because we failed, we pushed all the way to our next statistical deviation. So again, if we break through this level, come back to retest it, then we can expect a push to our next level, which would take us to around 380/370. And again, if we continue down even lower, our next support levels would be 310 and 290. And if we break through that, we're looking at 240, 215, and then final levels at 130 and 170. Now, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on PXMD. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis on drug.